Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to do lives. Live videos are a great way to get in front of your audience, engage the community, and build awareness for the product or service that you offer. So getting right into it, the first big tip that I want to talk to you about is move your phone, if you're doing it by phone, horizontal. This gives a wider screen for viewers to actually see you, as well as it shows up better for advertising if you want to do so later. The other big tip that I'm going to share with you is making sure that you're not down here. Nobody wants to see that angle. We see so many people, great people, do lives from kind of below the fold, if you will. So make sure that you're a little bit above your eye level, just like you were having a conversation with a friend or a colleague, and it makes it look more natural when you're scrolling through Facebook or LinkedIn or YouTube when somebody is looking at videos. So above eye level, turn your phone horizontal. And next, if you have the opportunity, go ahead and get a mount or a tripod so that you're not like this and completely unstable during the broadcast. Again, especially if you're representing your business, you want to make sure that you put forth the most professional output as possible. Again, this is not a huge production. It is just a live video, and nobody's going to judge you for it as long as you're producing some educational and relevant, informative content. But you still want to make sure that you're representing the business in the best light possible. So if you have a mount or you have a tripod, it's completely recommended, as well as if you have the capability of purchasing a mic. You can find an inexpensive mic on Amazon, Target, Walmart for $12 to $20. Hook up, and it gives your video a great sound so that you're not muffled, it's completely clear. And especially if you're a soft-spoken person, I tend to not have a problem with that. I feel like I'm too loud. However, if you are soft-spoken, a mic is going to make sure that you stand out when people are tuning in. So those are some of the tips and tricks to know not even tricks, but just tips to know prior to going live on your broadcast. Now, once you do click live, if you're walking around or even if you're sitting stationary, you want to make sure that the background is relevant to your audience, as well as you have good lighting. If you have poor lighting, it really makes it grainy, pixelated, and hard for viewers to see your actual live. So great lighting. Make sure that whatever is in the background, you make sure is relevant and professional to the business. And this helps Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever it is, helps the algorithm show the video in more search results because you can actually see the video. Next, you're going to want to make sure when you log in to your business page. The business page is, again, when you log in to the Facebook or LinkedIn, it should be tied to your personal page. If it's not, that's another video. But if you don't have a large following on your business page, that's okay. You can still do your live video from your personal page and share it to the business page after. But for the sake of this video, and if you want to keep, your personal page a little separate from business, go ahead and make sure you're logged into your company and business page. The next portion of this tips and tricks is to make sure that you have a great title. So you want the title of this live to be compelling. You don't want to just have something generic because people aren't going to click to tune in. So not that you have to have this huge hook or offer, but give a potential viewer a reason to click through and learn more. So if you have a new product or service, a lot of people might not know the actual name of the product or service. So give them something that is informative and makes them want to click in and at least watch 5 to 10 seconds of your live video. Compelling title. So you're logged in to your company or personal page. You clicked live, you put in a compelling title. The next is to press go, and you're going to get, or start the live, and you're going to get a 3, 2, 1 countdown. Once you get the 3, 2, 1 countdown, you'll see in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, live. Once you're live, don't sit there and say, okay, I'm going to wait for people to tune in, or okay, I'm going to just look over here and not make it relevant. Time is so precious, and you want to make sure that even if nobody's tuning in, for your repurposed content later and people that tune in 5 days from when you did the live video, you're not wasting their time. So immediately, once it says 3, 2, 1, introduce yourself and have a compelling statement. So, hey everybody, this is Jenna Ahern, and today we're going to talk about tips and recommendations on Facebook and LinkedIn Lives. Give the reason to why somebody should, I'm going to tune in and give this a couple seconds because I want to understand or know more about the topic that Jenna or yourself just referenced. So again, 3, 2, 1, launch, go. Think of it like you're going to give your little elevator speech on why someone should tune in to this video and what they're going to learn. And then once you do that, you can kind of backstep and say, hey, this is what we do. This is from a company standpoint, and give almost like your business elevator pitch. So they understand who you are, why you should be the authoritative figure on this topic, and build up your credibility a little bit. So you're going to then kind of take a step back, tell them why they should continue to engage and trust you and the recommendations that you're giving. So again, hey, I'm Jenna Ahern. I'm the owner of Guardian Owl Digital, and today we're going to talk to you about some tips and tricks on how you can how you can go live on Facebook or LinkedIn. At Guardian Owl, we help businesses show up in search engine results, hire in more frequently, and do this all the time. So kind of you see there where I stepped back and introduced myself, but then introduced the business. And next, you're going to kind of give a call to action. So tell them to like the video, share the video if they think that it's valuable, comment on where they're tuning in from, or if they find the information valuable, have a question. You can just ask them to leave some information in the comments. This helps the algorithm on social search engines show your video organically, which means for free, to more people once the video is completed. So you're going to engage your audience quickly from a call to action standpoint after you introduce yourself, why they should tune in, and then why you're a credible source for the information you're about to talk about. Next, you are going to give a call, before you end the video, you're going to then give another call to action. So I'm talking about, here are some easy ways, tips and tricks of the trade. At the very end of this video, I'm going to again tell you to like the video, comment, or visit our website to learn more information at guardianowldigital.com. You can give us a call, 502-822-6695, or tune in next week or at a certain time to learn about another offer on our business. So you can re-engage your audience to tune in at a later time, or if you're having a special promotion or offer, send them call to action to the website, give you a call, or again, even if it's just something as simple as leave the comments or like this video, you want some type of action call to action before you end the video. Okay, so now you're done, you click end. It's not over yet. I know you're finally feeling like there's a weight off your shoulders. You've completed your first live video. So high five, great step in the right direction. But now you have the opportunity to almost put some makeup on the video that you just completed. So if you don't like your title, you have the opportunity now to edit the title, edit the content, put some hashtags in there, add captions, change out the thumbnail. So this is the time before you have people that later in the day, later in the week, later in the month, year, as that video just stays there and resurfaces, you have the opportunity to make some edits, and these edits are going to help your consumers re-engage with the content. Thumbnails always help social and search engines show your content more frequently in results. If you have captions, oh, it's huge. Captions help search engines understand what the audio is saying. It helps people that are impaired hearing-wise read the video. Oftentimes people, they're at work and they shouldn't be watching these videos, and so it allows them to understand what the video is about while they're viewing, instead of just, nope, can't watch it, or I can't turn on and hear what the heck Jenna's saying. So think about captions. I know that it's a harder step, but it's just kind of like if you're working out and you're trying to get 10 reps every time and you're stopping at 8, you're not getting those extra reps in that you need to. Captions and updating the thumbnail image, these are kind of those last steps, those last reps in a workout that is going to help you in the long run. So don't be afraid if you don't have the time. Still do the video. You can go back and edit it later. This is just something we thoroughly recommend because we've seen the benefits. We've seen our clients have better results, and we want you to too. So I'm going to practice what I preach. I hope you enjoyed these tips and tricks of the trade when it comes to going live. Don't be intimidated. Leave a comment, share this video, email a friend, visit our website at guardianoutdigital.com to learn more. And again, we want to hear from you. So please reach out, and we hope that this information is valuable. Bye.